Good day, sir. I'm here to demonstrate my project that focuses on offset characteristics using LT-SPICE. This video demonstrates the use of LT-SPICE to study the transfer and drain characteristics of enhancement type MOSFET used in switching applications. This will be a two-part video for transfer characteristics and drain characteristics. So for this plot, we can see the value of VGS is 10, the value of VDS is 30, the value of resistor 1, the first resistor is 10, the resistor 2 or the second resistor is 220, and we have the NMOS. So for the transfer characteristics, the circuit is ready. Let's start with clicking the simulation command button and we will plot. We will click the simulation command button and we will plot the transfer characteristics. We will click the simulate and simulation command. For this analysis, I should select DC sweep. And we should choose the first source. For the value, we should use the VGS for the name of first source to sweep. So we will type VGS. And for the type, we will choose the linear because it means between the start and stop value. So for our start value, we will input 0. For our stop value, we will input 10. And for our increment, we will input 1. If you click OK and place this command anywhere on the screen, now we will click Run. After we click Run, we need to measure the current in drain. So we will measure the M1. As we can see, it is now the M1. We will full screen it. And we will, to see the data points, we will click right click and click view and mark data points. We can see now the points which represents the data marks in 1 volt, 2 volt, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 volt. For the second part of the video, the drain characteristics, we will now change the simulation command. So just right click it. And for the first source, we will change the VGS to VDS. And we will still use the linear type of sweep. The start value is still 0. The stop value, however, will change to 30. And the increment value will change to 0.1. And for the second source, we will use now the VGS, still the linear type of sweep, and start value as 0, and stop value is 10 as it is the value of VGS, and the increment now is 2. So we will just click OK, and now we will click Run. As we can see, we can see now how the characteristics are built. For the green line, this is the VGS, which is equivalent to 0 volt. The blue line, which is VGS, is equivalent to 2 volts. The red line, which is VDS, equivalent to 4 volts. The blue line, which is VDS, equivalent to 6 volts. And the pink line, which is VDS, equivalent to 8 volts. And lastly, the gray line rather, which is equivalent to VDS, equivalent to 10 volts. So that's it for this video project. Thank you, sir, for watching.